Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. In this video, first we will add the splash screen to our app and then the app icon. First, what is splash screen? A splash screen or launch screen is the first screen you see when you open an app. It usually shows the app logo or branding for a few seconds before the main screen appears. Now next let me show you the relevance of splash screen. So open our app and close it, and if I open the app, and here you see a blank screen before starting the app. So when you open an app, it needs to load resources and initialize settings in the background. The splash screen acts as a quick, polished introduction while everything gets ready. Once the app is fully loaded, the splash screen disappears automatically and you can start using the app. To add the splash screen, it is quite simple. Go to our resource package, and here we have one value package. Right click on it and create new value resource file. And let's name our file with the name splash and press this OK button. And let's rename this with the small s because every other value is with the small letter. And here we have one XML file with the name splash. And here we are going to define our splash screen. So first thing, let's use a style block and let's name this theme.androidblocks.mysplash. And we need to use the parent, this theme.splash. And this parent is coming from the library we added at the start of the project for the splash screen. And we need to define three items here. First item we have with the name window splash screen background, this one. And next item window splash screen animated icon. And the last item will be post splash screen theme. And here we need to provide these three values. First we are going to use white color as the background when the app is in the light mode. For this icon, let's paste one icon in our drawable package which I created with the image generator. Paste it here, and we cannot keep blank space, so let's use underscore. And here we have one image we will use as an icon. And for the splash screen icon, for some reason you need to use some transparent background all around your icon. In most of the cases, whatever you keep the canvas size of this image. Here I have used this 900 by 900, and we need to keep our icon in the 2/3 size of this canvas, meaning I created a 600 by 600 box in the center and then I placed that icon in that. So with this configuration, the splash screen will adjust this icon at the right place. So go to our splash screen and use the drawable.app logo. And here in this post splash theme, we are going to use our main theme. And we have this main theme in our style theme.androidblocks. And we can also check out here in our values package, we have one XML file with the name theme. And it has this theme.androidblocks name. And here we are specifying that after this splash screen, we need the main theme. And we need to also create one more file where we will specify black color for our dark theme. So here in our values package, right click and new value resource file. And again, let's name this file exactly same. But this time we are going to use the night mode and use this night mode and press OK. And we will get one more XML file, and we have one highlighted text with the night. So this file will be used for the dark mode. We just need to copy all these values and use it here, and just instead of this white, let's use the black. And this is how we specify the splash screen. Next thing we need to do, in our manifest file we need to specify this thing. So here we need to specify that first it needs to use our splash screen, and thereafter it will automatically change to the main screen. And same let's define here. And one last thing we need to do on our main activity, whenever we will create this activity, we need to call this install splash screen function. So it will do all the work of installing that. And now we can run our app. Let's open it again. And here we have a nice splash screen before the app start. And if I switch back to light mode, and here we have a splash screen on the light mode. Hey everyone, if you are finding this tutorial helpful, you will love my premium Udemy course where we will build Measuremate, a fitness app using Jetpack Compose. We go in depth on the Firebase authentication, Firestore, and more. Check out the course in the description and take your skills to the next level. See you there. Now next thing we are going to add the app icon. So here we can see by default it used this app icon, and these app icons have been defined here. When we go to this resource package and this mi map, and here we can see these icon launcher files, and here we have icons of different sizes. So we need to override these icons, and we are going to use our app logo as the icon. Let's right click on the resource package and image asset, and here select this launcher icon, and we can use image, clip art and text. First let me copy the path of this app logo. Again go to this image asset, and here provide our directory, and we have the directory. So let's select our app logo, and it is looking quite good in all the cases. Only thing, let's update this full bleed layer. So for that we just need to update the background color. So let's use the color and click on this color and take this eyedropper and use this blue color, and we can see how it is going to look, and this is looking perfectly good on every variant. So let's just press next button, and it is asking us to override these values, and press this finish button, and it is going to override these values. And now if we open this icon launcher, and here we have icons. So let's run our app again. Let's minimize it, and here we have our icon on the app, and it's looking perfectly good. And that's all for this video. We have successfully added the splash screen and the app icon. In the next video, I will share what more we can do with this app. As always, if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them down in the comment section. And if you are finding these videos helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.